So, good afternoon, guys. Myself, Aniket De. Currently, I'm pursuing BCA from University of Engineering and Management, and I'm in final year. And today, I'm going to represent a pie chart of Android and iOS users in India. The full form of iOS is iPhone operating system. And before going to our topic, we must know what is Android and what is iOS. So, Android basically a software that are maintained and created by Google. It is launched in the market at 2008 on 23rd September. That means on 23rd September of 2008. The first version of Android, that is Alpha, and it is basically created for smartphones and tablets. Its kernel is Linux based, and the coding or the programs are used in this particular software, that is C, C++, and Java. Android version have Google Chrome, but anyone or any user can add any browsing software on it. And Google have the voice assistant. And second is the iOS or the iPhone operating system. It is developed and maintained and also updated by Apple Incorporation, and it officially launched on market at 29th July of 2007. The first version of Apple, that is OS 1, and before it is named iOS. It is specially created for the smartphones, music player, and the tablet computer, and its kernel type are hybrid. The language that are used to perform the iOS, that are C, C++, and object-oriented C, and also the other languages. iOS devices have Safari as their default browsing software, and the iOS have the voice assistant that called Siri. Now, here comes the Android or iOS users in around India. In that particular pie chart, if we focus, we must see that 70% of people are using Android phones, and 18% of people are using Apple iOS. 3% of people uses BlackBerry, and others 10%. In other 11% they are included Microsoft Windows Mobile 4%, and WebOS and Symbian OS 5%. That means if we focused on the particular pie chart, we must see Android uses 70% of people. Why? Because it is easy to use, and it is user friendly. You haven't It's not a rocket science to use on it, and anyone can use it, and it's have its own security facilities. Second one, Apple iOS, which I have shown, that is 18% of 18% of people are using, because those phones are costly, first of all, and secondly, those are high secured phones. Yeah, Apples are high secured phones. That means they are always try to protect your privacy and your data from others. So that's why these phones or the tablets or the computers are highly costly. RIM BlackBerry, that is 3%, because when BlackBerry came to the market, they have some huge develop on their phones, but when the day by day are going, their reputation and the facility and the performance are down. So now only 3% people are using this, and other 11%, like Microsoft Windows Mobile and WebOS and Symbian OS, are literally in nowadays are not usable like before. So here comes the conclusion part. Android Q brings a lot of improvement with its major facilities, and also the data privacy and data security in minor UI environments. As usual, India's as usual in India, most of people's using Android because those are user friendly, those are low cost, and don't need you don't need to know the rocket science to use on it. And that's why the Android phones are mostly selling phones or the mostly usable phones in India. Thank you.